Good morning, student. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will continue the same exercise 2.1 with the question number 9. Find other trigonometric functions from the given part. So here given is cos theta minus 3 by 5 and theta is greater than 180 degree and less than 270 degrees. So here we have cos theta value, we have to find other trigonometric functions. So using the cos, we can find easily sec because sec is the reciprocal of cos. From cos, we can find sine by using the identity. We have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now put up the value of cos theta. 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Square of this is 9 upon 25. By cross multiplication, tirpa gunakar 25 minus 9 upon 25. We get 16 by 25, which is equal to sine square theta. Taking square root, we get sine theta is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. Since theta is greater than 180 degree, less than 270 degree, therefore theta lies in 180 पेक्षा जास्त आणि 270 पेक्षा कमी म्हणजे थीटा कुठे असेल थर्ड क्वाड्रंट लाइज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रंट and in third quadrant sine and cos and sine both are negative. Therefore we will take the value of sine theta minus 4 by 5. We get sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. And cos theta already given minus 3 by 5. Therefore, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. We will put up the value. Cos is minus 3 by 5. Therefore, we get minus get cancelled. 4 by 5 into 5 by 3. खालचं जे फ्रॅक्शन आहे ते जेव्हा आपण वरती घेणार तेव्हा त्याचं आपल्याला रेसिप्रोकल करावं लागतं आणि ते रेसिप्रोकल आपल्याला मिळत आहे 5 by 3. 5 get cancelled. We get tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. From tan theta we can find direct cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta, means 1 upon 4 by 3. 4 by 3 ला वरती गेलं तर काय होईल 3 by 4. So cot theta we get 3 by 4. Then sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. काय आहे cos theta? minus 3 by 5 means 1 upon minus 3 by 5. हा वरती गेला तर होईल minus 5 by 3. काय होतं minus 3 upon 5 जर वरती गेला तर त्याचं उलट होणार. So we get minus 5 by 3. Then next is cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Put up the value of sin theta in that formula. What we get? We get 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta value is given. Sin theta value is 1 upon minus 4 by 5. हा उलटा वरती गेला तर उलटा होईल minus 5 by 4, which is equal to cosec theta. And lastly we will write this. So it is very simple question. Cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 is given, and by using the basic identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we get sin theta plus minus 4 by 5. But theta lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos theta and sin theta both negative. Therefore, we get the value of sin theta minus 4 by 5. Then you know the tan theta formula, sin theta upon cos theta, we get the value 4 by 3. Then by using the reciprocal formulas, we get other 3 functions. In this way, we can solve examples, find other trigonometric function. Now let us continue. Sec A is equal to minus 25 by 7. A lies in second quadrant. Angle A lies in second quadrant. We have to find other trigonometric function. We know that sec is the reciprocal of cos. Means from sec direct we will get value of cos. Now to find sine we have to apply other formula. So this is our basic identity. Sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A is given, so we can find tan square A. Therefore, tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Now put up the value of sec. Minus 25 by 7 whole square minus 1. From this you can find tan. From this you will get cos. Okay, so this way also you can use or. Simple thing. Cos A is the reciprocal of sec A. Reciprocal formula direct. See, there are 2-3 methods to solve the example. We have to choose easy one. So cos is the reciprocal of sec, means 1 upon minus 25 by 7. Therefore, we get cos A is equal to minus 7 by 25. Now, it is like previous example. In previous example, cos was given. From cos, we calculated sine by using the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, same thing we will apply now. We have sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Put up the value of cos square 1 minus 7 upon 25 square means 1 minus 49 upon 625. By cross multiplication, we get 625 minus 49 upon 625. So here, this is the difference of this. We get from this, we can find sin square A. Now further, after getting sine, from sine we can calculate cosec A. Means sec given cos. From sine we will get cosec, and by using sin A upon cos A, we will get tan. So, you have to do this further calculation to find the remaining trigonometric function. We will continue the new question. Understood? Can you solve this? Try to solve 625 minus 49 upon 625. Do the calculation yourself.